pellet screeners made up from a couple of leftover pieces of plywood. Here's a 5-gallon pail. You cut off the top, turn it down there, drill a little square hole. It becomes your chute. Here's a 1/4-inch screen set between a couple pieces of 2x2. You push back up in the middle, get a curve out of it. Here's an old piece of box that we had, like a bread box thing. That stays right in there like that. And that'll screen them all and get sawdust out of them. That's right, clean it. You get empty, you put more in. You get your pellets full. That easy. Moving in close, you get it close up. All the debris. You know something? That's going in the whole bag.
Okay, action.
Here's the debris from screening the pails. That's all going to be used to throw in a handful on the wood stove, and it lights up the fire and burns perfect. See, there's a whole can there, and use that in the regular wood stove.